Ever felt like Chinese grammar is a maze you can't navigate? You're not alone. Many learners face this challenge, but understanding grammar is crucial for mastering the language. Let's explore how to tackle it together. In this video, we'll uncover techniques to simplify Chinese grammar. From mnemonic devices to visual aids, we'll equip you with tools to make learning more intuitive and less daunting. Mnemonics are your secret weapon against complex grammar rules. By associating rules with memorable images or phrases, you can simplify learning. Imagine remembering grammar like a catchy song. Let's dive into examples of effective mnemonics for common grammar structures. These techniques will transform your study sessions, making them more engaging and productive. Visual aids can turn abstract grammar concepts into tangible ideas. Charts, diagrams, and color-coded notes are powerful tools to enhance understanding and retention. We'll explore real-life examples of how visual aids clarify grammar rules. These tools make learning interactive and visually appealing, helping you grasp concepts faster. See grammar rules applied in everyday sentences. Practice with examples tailored for both beginners and advanced learners, ensuring you understand how context influences grammar usage. By mastering these techniques, you'll navigate Chinese grammar with confidence. Subscribe now to unlock more insights and accelerate your learning journey. Let's conquer Chinese grammar together.